Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see, part on the screen. Yeah, dancehall artist Massacre girlfriend is being very messy, my people. And you know, she had Vybz Kartel out on social media. I know she bring in Bounty Killer in the mix. I don't know when she dropped this if she's trying to, form a gap between the father and son, but she's letting the world know that Bounty Killer they want to dig out our guts. Yeah, they want him know though for touch our panani and feel the tsunami. You see me, I say, all of this when Vybz Kartel was incarcerated behind the, these prison walls and couldn't out here touch the girl them. You see me, I say, so she showed the screenshots, of piece of the conversation between she and Bounty. And he said, sounds good. Hopefully I should be here at that time. And thank you. Good afternoon. He said, and she followed up with the caption saying, when Bounty Killer had their hearts for Marjorie. You know what I mean? I'm mad at you like father, like son. You see me saying, the Sweet Nana is a new song that she's trying to promote. So, she have to get controversial. Cause, nobody now pay attention to her. You see me say. So, homegirl have to do what she have to do. You see me, my people. Put in the comment section what you think about that because it no look like see them because, she's still a try for that relationship. When she released these screenshots of Vybz Kartel when he was, before he was released, he was still trying to see, her good stuff. She said, man, and she said that Carter said he's only using them for image and whatnot, what forth. They're filming. And she said Cartel all her royalty, so she is going to capitalize off of him by any means necessary. Not sure what her end game is, because, she's kind of blacklisted from the hip-hop R&B world. And, they feel a blacklist her in Jamaica because I don't want to say she chat too much, but she don't know for all things done, so. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I'm just giving an update while I go on for to go on is it. Okay, people, time for some sad news. Aishana just lost her grandmother. You see my sis, so you can put in the comment section, your heartfelt, message to her. Because, Ishi is like family. You see my sis. Wow, and this is what her caption said. She said, my heart is shattered, broken beyond repair. R.I.P. to my beautiful grandmother. You see my say. So let's take a little moment of silence and then we'll proceed to the next. Alright, people, I said today at Jamaica fake Independence Day, but dancehall Queen Spice is celebrating her 30th birthday as well. Put in the comment section what you think about that because her girl been running the game since a youngin'. You feel what I mean? I'm not gonna tell you no lie, her body is driving the people them mad. Nah, tell you no lie, my people. The body I drive the people them mad and the more them want to put the magic stick when she skin out her front. This is man says, so let's hear Vybz Kartel security talk about wanting to dig out Spice guts, isn't it?
Mama Spice go work on shell down one other part type. Dog, yo. Gonna take my eye off a Spice in a dog. Yo. Couldn't take my eye off a Spice, dog. Big up yourself, mama. Big up yourself, mama Spice. I said to remember, I walk up, I reach, and mama said, so, you see me? Mama said, son, turn, I rifle up on me and said, so, no way you doing no sus. You will get it. I say, I'm done. And when she said that, it come like, she have two her thugs there around her now. Said, so, I don't understand. I see two her tongues them said so. I say, mama, I can't shoot you, mama. The mind now go activate the figure for no, one poor more, mama. Remember, you're a queen, The queen should be protected at all costs. You know like chess, you know play chess. Yeah, and the queen is the most valuable player. Not even the king on the chess board. So I say, mama, I can't make a feel away, I can't make a video catch when me sneak up on you and I go so run you down with that big body there. You see me? I say, mama, let's look what I go on. All of the spine pan. Anybody will forget it. Anybody, mama say, what you say? That's the department say, yeah, tag team. Yeah. When I say, mama, tag team, I said, so, mama say, stay behind me. And I say, mama, just say, him, she, may I tell you, everybody, mama say, forget it. Best friend, sister, cousin, auntie, everybody. Everybody blood. Nah, I get it. Mama just say, yo, wet them up, wet them up, wet them up. And I say, yo, and mama say, you forget it, you know. Don't pray me.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you think Mad Sauce and Spice will make a cute couple. Cause you know she love them brown. Yeah. Anyway, this is what Vybz Kartel had to say. I'm not going to read it out for you. You can press pause and read it for yourself. And that's what Spice posted as well on her birthday, letting the world know a queen there. You see me, I say. Matsus also touch bases on this picture, when it says circulating with him and Aidonia, a link up. Cause you know, say, the thing them.
Yeah, the pictures them with me and Aidonia. A long time I do remember Aidonia say, oh, when come at you, bro, remember Aidonia first, before Portmore Empire. You see me? One daughter I have right now. Before Portmore Empire, Aidonia first. I say, Adi, I'm a daddy. For any Portmore Empire, them time the Alliance, Vybz, Aidonia first, you know. He never did say, Adi, I'm a brother. Adi, me daddy. Up to this day, you know, the tune, we laugh and shot them or they want to go. Yeah, we laugh and shot them, shot in, you know. That's one of the baddest hardcore collaboration up to now, you know, when you talk about hardcore gangster shit, you know. We laugh and shot them on the other one, you know. You see me? When Badman bust the gun, them grab it. Badman lock it and one and slam it. Pebbles the 12 gauge, nyam it, the shotgun, vomit your head shot. When Badman, the shot them bust up. In a boy, chat in brain, choke out, rifle shot, bust out, tongue and teeth, cut out. We gun so big like y'all will fuck. Anyway, me shut up them sweet so me bomb it. The 4-4 Magnum, me jam it, they want it, they shake up the planet tectonic. Half a boy skin strip off, head top, leaf off, and them a toe to toe, the man them go toe to toe, you know, pan the rhythm, you know. Yo, take piece, give him back now. Give him back head. Gunshots let him up like hippopotamus. M3 shot a bus, the esophagus, new brown glass bus, the old one a copper plus lead when you. Anyways, remember, I don't want to tell me say Kingfisher come, I don't. Yeah? You there, one of the biggest waste man in the world right now. Anyway, you're my blacking people. Yeah, man, tell us that them time the bro.
Yeah, as you can see, the life started to take a turn to the dark side. Because you know the people them about him in the comment section, I call him punk and all of this stuff. And you know, Aidonia song, you know, Kingfisher them are come and all of these things, you see me? You know what I mean? I'm not sure if Gaza and GOP got beef. I think name governor said there's some issues between Aidonia and Cartel, but them still a family. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, that's again a quick update. So please don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.